Welcome to the first lecture of the course. Today, we are laying the foundational groundwork. To become a great prompt engineer, you first need to understand the powerful engine you will be driving. That engine is generative AI. In this lesson, I will introduce the core ideas behind modern generative models. I'll begin by defining generative AI and explaining how it differs from approaches that focus only on classification or recognition. Then I will give a high-level overview of large language models, showing how they learn patterns from extensive text data and use those patterns to generate coherent language. I will also explain token prediction, the fundamental mechanism these models use to choose the next token during generation. After that, I will discuss why the same prompt can lead to different outputs, highlighting the role of sampling strategies and controlled randomness. Finally, I will walk you through a brief hands-on demonstration so you can see these concepts in action. In this section, I want to clarify what we mean by generative AI. Generative AI refers to models designed to produce new content, not just analyze or classifying existing data. These systems can generate text, images, audio, video, and even functioning code. What makes them important is their ability to create outputs that look and sound as if they were produced by a human. You have likely interacted with tools such as GPT, Cloud, Gemini, or Llama. Even though these tools may look different on the surface, they are all built on the same underlying principle. They use large language models trained on massive amounts of data to learn the patterns of language and then generate new material based on those patterns. Throughout the course, we will focus on how these models work, why they behave the way they do, and how to use them effectively in real applications. LLMs are AI models designed to generate text. They don't follow fixed rules like traditional programs. Instead, they learn patterns from lots of language data. This lets them write sentences, paragraphs, or even whole articles that sound human. LLMs are trained on huge datasets, billions of sentences from books, websites, and articles. This helps them understand the style, structure, and details of language. LLMs don't really understand language. They learn patterns. For example, if you type "the sky is," the model predicts the most likely next word based on what it has seen before. LLMs don't think like humans. They predict the next word, token, or sentence that is most likely in context. Every answer is generated step by step based on patterns, not conscious thoughts. At the heart of every LLM is one simple idea: predicting the next token. A token is a piece of text. It could be a full word, part of a word, or even punctuation. The model looks at the text you have written and guess what comes next, one token at a time. For example, tokens can be a full word like the or sky, part of a word like play in playing, or punctuation like a comma or period. Here's how it works in practice. Suppose you type "the sky is," the model will likely predict the next token as blue. Then it might predict a page to finish the sentence. Each prediction depends on the tokens that came before. Step by step, the model builds a complex sentence. You might notice that the same question doesn't always produce the same answer. That's because these models are non-deterministic. They sample from many possible next tokens. This randomness is what makes them creativity and also unpredictable. Ask your model these questions 3 times. Give me one tip for staying productive, and then compare the responses and notice the variations. This variation shows how the same question asked 3 times to the same model can produce 3 different responses. That is the non-deterministic behavior of LLMs at work. Once you understand that LLMs predict tokens, not meaningless, you will see why our prompts must be precise. In the next lesson, we will explore why prompt engineering matters.